Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a class that we have coming to Stewart Title McKinney. This is going to be on Tuesday, October 24th from 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Create a YouTube channel to power your business. YouTube is one of the most powerful things that you guys can do for your business, but a lot of times when you first get in, it can be overwhelming. Where do I go? What do I start with? How do I set this up? What's going to be the focus? We're going to cover all of that. We're going to take away all the obstacles that are out there in creating a YouTube channel, and we're going to show you the process, and you're going to have time to actually do it right there in the class. So bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to apply those techniques right there in person. You can also join us via Zoom. Those that join in person in McKinney, you also are going to get lunch provided to you by Stewart Title and additional sponsors. So RSVP, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.